Now we have the employee ID and we have to split into three parts. Clearly we can see the first two letters of this string or word are letters, characters, and then we have numbers, and then at the end we have the character. So we will split it by character, number, and character, and we have to create new columns and then share the report. To do so, let's get started. So this is the answer of the fifth question. What we have done is we have selected and used the right function of the SQL, which will select the rightmost letter of the employee government ID. We have called this column as last digit. Then we have taken the left employee government ID's two digits, which here will be AB, and call them as first two digit. Lastly, we have used the SQL function of substring, which will select any letter starting from third to sixth position. So third is 1 and the last position is 6, and it will give us everything which is in the middle. Finally, we have selected the column employee government ID and employee number from the table employee.